Sinotruk International Microclassroom class is starting now. EOL Usage Adapter. Chapter. The first thing we think of is, that's right, the important software component of the EOL program. Next is the hardware component of the EOL adapter. The adapter builds a channel for the interaction between the complete vehicle and the program. The program can therefore read and write vehicle information. Both must cooperate. The absence of one is unacceptable, so this mini-lesson, let's discuss the adapter's background, history. Adapter currently, there are a total of 2 generations of adapters still in use. First generation white box, introduced in 2010 independently, developed by Sinotruk. The first generation of the entire vehicle series diagnostic tool. Diagnostic tool for the full range of vehicle models. But due to the long passage of time, Windows XP or Windows 7 32-bit only supports Windows XP and Windows 7 32-bit system computer.
Replacing it is the brand new generation black box. Launched in 2018, it features a special material casing. The casing uses better materials. At the same time, it is compatible with Windows 7 and Windows 10 computer systems. It has strong compatibility and supports Windows 7 and Windows 10 because the XP system has already been honorably retired. The trial applicability of the black box can be said to be 100%. Finally, if your box is damaged, the center provides upgrade and repair services. Second generation black box upgraded version. Afterward, technical personnel upgraded the black box. The upgraded version black box was born. A blue label is used on the appearance to distinguish between the two. So what are their internal differences? Upgrade. We need to do some preparatory work first. Understanding the diagnostic interface on the entire vehicle. This is the OBD diagnostic interface of heavy trucks. It is uniformly standardized as 14 pins. Pin 16 is the 16 volts power supply. Pin 12 light blue, white, and pin 11 light blue, yellow form the twisted pair wire for power. CAN, the familiar power drivetrain CAN, is also called communication CAN. Pin 7 is the K line. Pin 6 light blue, red, and pin 14 light blue, black, form the twisted pair wire for diagnostic CAN. Pins for N5, on the other hand, are ground wires. Now let's focus attention on the 2 CAN bus lines. 500 kbps, 250 kbps baud rate, 500 kbps, 250 kbps. Among these, the baud rate of the diagnostic CAN is 500 kbps. Baud per second refers to the number of baud bits that can be transmitted within the communication channel per second. The baud rate refers to the number of baud unit symbol changes that a communication channel can transmit per second. Unit baud per second. It is a kind of measurement for the signal transmission rate. Simply put, it is a measurement for the signal transmission rate, referring to the number of baud units or symbols transmitted per second. Obviously, the transmission speed of diagnostic CAN is greater than that of powertrain CAN or engine CAN. But for diagnostic CAN, which monitors exhaust emissions, it initially only monitored exhaust emissions data. Later, the scope was gradually expanded, but the load factor of the CAN line is still within the normal range.
Communication channel and baud rate. Selection and adaptive baud rate are presented with the prompt. Please select the communication channel and baud rate. So, the difference they can't see is this. Many colleagues stationed abroad or overseas are unupgraded or not yet upgraded, and haven't had time to upgrade the adapter yet. So they continue to use the old version. So, what might happen in this situation? Let's simulate it, or let's do a simulation. Can be seen that when the unupgraded box continues to be used, it may cause the work to be unable to proceed smoothly. This occurs because the EOL program internally enabled the adaptive baud rate function and will continuously send commands to make the adapter match the CAN bus of the entire vehicle. However, because the adapter software was not upgraded, it was unable to execute the command. ultimately causing the program to fall into an infinite loop until it crashed or froze. This is because the EOL program internally enabled the adaptive baud rate function. Choosing a voice transmission is for the simulation, specifically the exploration of making the adapter match the whole vehicle. EOL adapter summary. The first generation white box is nearing retirement. The new generation black box, relying on relatively high compatibility and guarantee or assurance services, successfully took over from the white box, but due to the adjustment of the baud rate of the diagnostic interface, the black box had to undergo a software upgrade. The change in the diagnostic interface required the black box to update the software. They are outwardly distinguished by the use of blue labels. The black box must update the software or the software must be upgraded, requiring the adaptive function switch in the EOL program to be turned off. This means one needs to close or turn off the automatic matching CAN bus function in the EOL program.